Hello. Today, let's learn about the phrase ascribe something to something. It means to say that one thing is caused by another. For example, you can say she ascribed her success to hard work. This means she believes hard work caused her success. You always use ascribe with to. The structure is ascribe something to cause. You cannot separate ascribe and to. This phrase is common in formal English. You can use it to explain reasons for events, feelings, or results. For example, they ascribed the delay to bad weather. Or, we ascribe the problem to poor planning. It is similar to attribute, but ascribe sounds more formal. Be careful not to say ascribe to something without the object before to. Try this sentence. The teacher ascribed the student's success to extra practice. Remember, the thing you explain goes right after ascribe. And cause goes after to. Practice using this phrase to explain causes clearly. It will help you sound more natural and precise. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing. See you next time.